Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we will be seeing how you can change your birthday of your Google account on your iPhone. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is obviously open your Google. After opening Google, go on your profile, which is on the top right corner of your phone. Here you can see your name's initial. Just click on it and then click on Manage Google Account button. Then click on Personal Info. And here you can see the option Birthday. Simply click on it. And now you can update your birthday, just like this. After you have edited your birthday, click on the Save button. And then click on Confirm to confirm your age. And there you go. You have successfully changed your birthday. And that was it. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next.